Hello Odoo, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to allow checklist for the lead and opportunity. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module this CRM checklist. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to configuration menu and see here this CRM checklist. Now click on create checklist. Write a form of email. Stage is new and description is about the email. Let's say and another is a list of emails. New and description is about list. Let's say now go to leads, create new lead, still products, contact is a Azure, set priority is a high and text product. Let's say and below display checklist. Total created 2 form of email and list of email and also display here 0% as checklist. It display in leads. Now I want to convert to opportunity and see here my selected stage is a new and also display in opportunity checklist. And when I try to move in qualified and then see here validation error, below checklist must be filled in order to move further. Form of email and list of email. So first allow or check and see here display 50% and when check both then display here 100%. Now go to list view and also display here still product for 100% checklist in Kanban view and list view. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.